Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a Dell Latitude E7270 for repasting. I'm going to walk you through how to repaste the Dell Latitude E7270. So let's dive into it quickly. First, we have to unscrew all the screws holding the back lid cover. I'm using an electric screwdriver, a very nice electric screwdriver. If you're interested in purchasing this electric screwdriver, I'll leave a link in the description. Let's speed this up to save time. Now we have all the screws out. I'll use a prying tool to get the back lid cover open. The back lid cover is out. We have a nice setup here, an SSD, nice battery. Disconnect the battery before proceeding. Now we have 4 screws holding the heat sink. Proceed and unscrew all 4 screws. Two screws holding the fan. And now you can lift the heatsink up. Lift it up carefully to avoid causing dents on the heatsink. Also, don't forget to remove fan connector. As you can see it, pulling it out. Careful when pulling it out. You can see the paste is all dried up, both on the heatsink and the processor, which can cause overheating. I'll be using alcohol to clean up the dried paste in the processor. Make sure you clean up all the dry paste nice and clean. Also clean up the dried paste on the heatsink, just as we did for the processor. This is important for the new paste we'll be applying to have proper contact between the heatsink and the processor. This is really dried up. I'm using a razor blade to scrape it off. Now the heatsinks look ready for repasting. I'll grab my thermal paste and apply it evenly around the heatsink and the processor. I use a razor blade to spray it evenly in the processor. And also on the heatsink. Now I place back the heatsink on the processor and put the fan back in place and screw back the 4 screws holding the heatsink in place. Now all 4 screws are in place. Return the fan connector and also screw back the screws holding the fan. Don't forget to connect the battery. And the battery is connected firmly back in place. We turn the back lid. And screw back all the screws holding the back lid in place. And this was a very quick job. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.